The Civic Pride Workshop was born out of the realization that we're applying all the wrong tools to these issues. And in trying to help communities revitalize, it's not just a matter of money, it's not a matter of planning. Those things can be helpful, but that doesn't get at the root cause that communities are struggling with, which is rampant apathy. That over the course of the last half century, all the things that used to give people a sense of meaning and a sense of pride have dissipated. They've declined. The condition of their buildings, percentage of ownership, the level of engagement, those things have all receded, and it's had a dramatic impact. People don't feel engaged in their communities anymore. They don't feel a sense of pride, and absent of pride, people, apathy fills that void, and that's the problem. We've got rampant apathy in so many communities, and it just can't be fixed by applying the same old tools. And that's where the idea of the Civic Pride Workshop came from, is that we have to foster a sense of pride. We have to teach people how to go about building pride in themselves and building pride in their communities, and what steps it takes to start to restore those fundamental building blocks that make people feel good about their town. And that's the idea behind the workshop, that we spend a day walking through all the areas that have changed and how to go about rebuilding those, whether that's aesthetics or whether that's identity. But we'll talk about that. We'll talk about where sources of shame comes from and how we address those and how we go about building pride. And at the end of the day, after some long, honest, probably hard conversations, what we're going to do is have a civic pride campaign, basically fully functioning, and roles for everybody to get engaged, to go out and find a way for everybody to get involved and everybody to have a role in combating this apathy and fostering pride. And so the Civic Pride campaign is going to give people a new sense of how to engage with their community and a new sense of meaning, and ultimately is going to result in people feeling proud of their communities again, which is what we have to do.